Okay kids, here's your video explanation of what you're supposed to do, and this works really well now that I've figured it out. So we got our potato, we have our lime, which is going to be a grapefruit instead, and we got our apple, and then we've got our wires here. So you'll have these wires with you. The aluminum is the lighter one, so if you pick up aluminum versus zinc is a lot heavier, not super heavy, but you need to get one of each of these, so everybody should grab one of each. And then we got copper. And then the other thing that you want out of this bag is a black and a red. And those are just going to help us so we can actually read the voltage, because without them I couldn't get the voltage to work to actually figure out what they were. So when you're filling out your sheet, this was from last year, your values are going to be better than they were last year because we didn't have those last year, but they'll help a lot. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do all my potato readings. So to do my potato readings, I'm going to take a copper and I'm going to take an aluminum and I'm going to put them in a potato. Oh, I'm not even, I was using the wrong one. Okay, here we go. Copper, aluminum. Okay, here's the key right here. Okay, copper, this is what copper voltage should be. Aluminum should be this, and zinc is this. Okay, so you attach copper with red and aluminum with black. Whichever one's further up goes with red, whichever one's further down goes with black. So I am going to take these and I'm going to attach the copper with the red, and I'm going to attach, there we go, the other with black, and then we go to our digital multimeter and we're going to attach the red to the red and the black with the black. Sorry, I'm trying to do this all one-handed, which may be more entertaining for you or might be making you sick. Either way, entertainment for somebody. Here we go. So attaching, and then all you have to do is take your digital multimeter and turn it, and the 20 works pretty good here. So I'm getting like 0.3635. Last time I did it, I got way higher numbers, so you might end up with completely different numbers than other people, which is fine, because after you do this, you're going to average them, find the standard deviation and all that. So that's part of doing an experiment. If you turn it, it actually just gets rid of the decimal, but the reading is very similar. So I like this one because it gives you the reading that you'd be writing down, okay? And then once you're done with that, you can do it again, but just switch which wires you're doing. So the next one on the sheet would be copper and zinc. So put the zinc in there, and then again, just make sure when you look at this, if you are doing the copper and zinc, copper would be red and zinc would be black. Do your reading, write your numbers down, and check your email, because another school did these and had 2 students. So after you get yours filled in, do yours for the potato, the lime or grapefruit here, and the apple. And then once everybody's done this, all 3 of you, then you can swap your data to get everybody else's data. And then if you check your email, there's data for 2 more students. So you can add those in there. And then you can flip the sheet here and you can try to figure out what the expected should be. The expected should be the same as it is in my column here. That was explained in the video we looked at yesterday or Tuesday, I suppose. And then the average is the average for the 5 of you, so those numbers will be different, and standard deviation is from your standard deviation worksheet. If you got any questions, we'll look at those questions on Tuesday of next week. All this stuff is due next Friday, so getting you through this will help us stay on track. All right, bye.